Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. So today we are going to explain the way how you memorize things. So I will tell you something very important. If you want to memorize the vocabulary, many students tell me that they can't remember the vocabulary they memorize. So when they come across a word or a term, they try to memorize it by heart, but when few days later, 2 days or 3 days, they forget it. Why? I will tell you why. So there are two ways how to memorize the vocabulary. First thing is the way you memorize them, the way you learn them by heart. And the second thing is practice. If you don't practice, you will not remember what you are memorizing. So you have to practice the words that you have learned. For example, today I was reading or I was searching in the internet and I came across a word which is, for example, immunity. Immunity. I always hear this word, immunity. What is immunity? Immunity is the defense of the body, for example. So this is immunity. When you are immune, when you have a strong immunity, diseases come to you, but they become quickly weak. So this is immunity. So now I memorize this word. Tomorrow I will forget it. Why? Because I don't practice it. I don't use it. There's a saying that says in English, the language, if you don't use it, you lose it. If you don't use it, you lose it. So you have to practice the vocabulary that you have learned. I will give you the first step, which is how to memorize, how to learn vocabulary. So each vocabulary you come across, write it down in a paper. Okay, write down your vocabulary, write it down. Don't just come across the word and let it. This is if you love English. If you love English, you will do this. Just write down the vocabulary that you come across daily or weekly or something. Okay, write them down in a piece of paper, just a paper, a small paper. Write many vocabulary, many words on that paper. You take it and you paste it on the place in the wall or on the wall you are sleeping beside. Okay, paste it in your bed. Then try to memorize in the morning and in the evening, at the night if you want to sleep. Try to memorize two words, 3 words a day. You will find yourself memorizing quickly, because these 2 times, morning and night, are very important for memorization. Okay, then when you memorize, try to write. Try to learn how to write stories, how to write diaries, how to write events that come across your eyes daily. Try to write that vocabulary. You should not let it here. If you let it here, it will go, it will perish. So try to write the vocabulary. This way will teach you how to keep the vocabulary, and you will never forget it. And this what I have done this is what I do, okay? This is what I do. This is what I do daily when I want to memorize new terms, new words. Thank you very much. I hope this will be helpful for you, and let's meet in another video. Thank you very much.